What is Zoom Life? Hi guys, my name is Simon T. Zoom Life or Zoom Lifestyle is a lottery game owned by Peter Okoye, popularly known as Mr. P. He is the CEO of Zoom Life Lottery Game in Nigeria. In this lottery game, if you buy a ticket of 500 naira, you stand a chance of winning 200,000 naira every week. The live draw for this game is being conducted every Saturday, 12 o'clock. You can buy multiple tickets to stand a high chance of winning the game. You can also buy for all the categories in the game, which include music, sport, dance, business, and international. But for the international, it's for people outside Nigeria. There's many ways you can play. You can buy the ticket or you can play this game. You can go to internet. You can go to www.zoomlife.com to play the game with your ATM card details. You can play with your bank USSD code. You can also play with your MTN USSD code.